Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 for sale. This vehicle comes in a black exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist. Come around to the rear of the vehicle. We've got our GLC 300, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC badging, and a power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. Look at our rear seats next. And we do have some silver accent in this vehicle, as well as the premium Burmester sound system upgrade. Rear seats. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. And we'll take a look at our driver's side next. This vehicle does have heated seats, both driver and passenger. We also have memory seats on the driver's side. See the controls here. Door controls. Driver's seat. Steering wheel. And hopping inside. Mileage currently at 26,065. We have a push button ignition. And here's our display, currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below that we have our climate controls, command module for making adjustments on the display, and our shifter. Now, if you're interested in getting additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.